Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I always wanted a sit-stand desk and this model is a little different. This is by Rife and this can convert your existing desk into a sit-stand desk. Let's see how.
This is Rife Technology's sit-stand desktop workstation. It can take up to 15 kg load on the desktop and max 2 kg on the keyboard shelf. It's height adjustable using a gas spring. I have the white particle board version and it's also available in black with MDF plus PVC top. Let's open up the box and we have the top first. I love this white color. Let's get that out. This is the whole assembly, but we do need to assemble the keyboard shelf, which is quite simple. Top surface is 31.5 inches wide and 15.7 inches deep. We have a packet with screws and some other accessories. This is the screwdriver. We have a manual within. Everything is explained in pictures. Let's get all this packaging off. Here's the gas spring or riser as it's also called. It's kept in place via a zip tie, so let's set it free. There. I'm just happy it didn't suddenly jump up. I had something like that happen with my gas spring monitor mount. The desktop is ready. Hold down this lever here and with a little nudge, it can move up like so. Lowest it can go is 4.2 inches and the highest is 19.7 inches. Here's the gas riser. The top can stay at any height between the lowest and highest points. We have this accessory to install and we need these pointy screws. It goes into these holes here. The screwdriver is the right size for all the screws provided. Install the screws. And now the keyboard shelf has to be attached to the desktop. We screw it down here and here. These are the matching holes. Screw down the 4 screws, 2 on each side, and as simple as that, we are ready. The keyboard shelf weight limit is 2 kg. Now using the lever on the side, we can lower and raise the desktop like so. The stand can support one big monitor or 2 small 24-inch monitors. This section here can hold your phone or tablet. I have my laptop on the desk now. It's only 2 to 3 kilos, so way under the weight limit. So let's move to something a bit bigger. Return viewers might have already seen this area. This is my VR gaming rig and I use this TV as a monitor. I've set it up on the desk and also run the keyboard through. My mouse is anyways wireless. And now let's raise the desktop. It does so flawlessly. It's the right height to work standing up. As I generally stand while VR gaming, it's perfect. Lower it and sitting on the floor, it's easily accessible and the TV is at the right height. The desk can stop at any height you want between the lowest and highest points. These cable management clips are provided to keep your keyboard and other accessory wires in place and not snag when moving up and down. Just stick it down like this.
So how are you liking the sit-stand desktop workstation by Rife? It's pretty cool being able to move all this heavy stuff with just one hand. It's quite helpful. Maybe you can also use it as a desk on the floor. So the possibilities are endless. So what would you use it for if you purchase one? Make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.